Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily fix Steam VR Error 451. Let's begin. First, on your desktop, I want you to right click on anywhere and then look for display settings, all right? Once you have this on your screen, scroll down, look for graphics settings. Then you would want to turn this off, right? Hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So even though mine is on, I don't have any problems. So in your case, just turn this off. So majority of the users, this method fix their issues. However, if not, we do have another troubleshoot. Close this window, go to your start menu and look for network status, or you can go to your settings, right? Now just choose your internet connection, click on properties, and then set your network profile to private. Once done, everything should now be working smoothly for Steam VR. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.